I would say the number one problem this rotating titanium spork solves is it stops your backpack from being a mess. When I was researching the spork, the number one thing that everyone was raving about was just how light it weighs. It weighs only 1 ounce, and I can verify that's true because I weighed it. It's so lightweight you're not even going to know you're carrying it. If you're into ultralight stuff, this is it, and plus it's super strong titanium. You get a real spoon, a real fork, and you're not adding any weight to your bag, hardly at all. I also like to consider negatives on a product. One of the negatives might be that you could possibly press down on it too hard and bend it maybe. It's just not going to be as rigid as a normal fork or spoon. It's going to handle camping food just fine, so just don't go crazy tough on it. Is it worth it? Well, heck yeah, for the money. You get the rotating spork and knife. This is a great piece of EDC gear. I consider the titanium folding spork and knife a buy.